Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the factors affecting the diazotization. Acid concentration, pH of NaNO2, temperature of the reactions should be maintained 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. The diazotization compounds are decomposed at the elevated temperature. Reaction time is 10 to 15 minutes. The compound react with nitrous acid at different rate based on the nature of the compound. Slow digestible groups are the sulfur groups, carboxylic groups, and nitrogen oxide group. Fast digesting groups are the anilide, toluidine, and the aminophenol. Conditions for the digestion titrations are the following conditions are required for the titrations of amino groups containing the samples. Therefore, follow rate of the titration. Addition of sodium nitrate to the sample solutions takes time to react with the amino group present in the sample solution. Different amino groups react with the nitrous acids at different rate. Based on this, the amino compound are classified into two main groups. They are the follow: slow digestible compound are the sulfonilic acids and the anthranilic acids. For the digestible compound, fast are the aniline, aminophenol, and toluidine. The reaction rate is the increased by additions of potassium bromide solution. Temperature maintenance of the temperature is main conditions for the digestion titration. The salt form are not stable elevated temperature. They are readily decomposed at elevated temperature. Temperature maintained 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Types of the digestible are the titrations. First are the digestion direct method, indirect method. Three types of method based on titration procedures. The main procedures involved in the method is to amino group containing drug with the acid solution. The resulting solution is immersed in the cold water bath or the ice water bath by maintaining the temperature at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Then the solution is titrated with the sodium nitrate solution, and the endpoint is determined by the above mentioned method. Indirect method, the principle involved in this method is that the excess nitrous oxide acid is the added to the titration sample solution and it is back titrated with the other appropriate titrant, and this method is mainly used for the titration of the insoluble diazonium salt. Other method are the diazo oxide formation method. The main principle involved in this method is formation of diazo oxide, which is more stable than the diazo compound. Examples: the aminophenol is readily oxidized by nitrous oxide, and acids converted into the quinones in the presence of copper sulfate solutions and forms the diazo oxide compound. They readily undergoes the coupling reactions with the nitrous acid. Thank you. In today class, I discuss about my topic, that is the type of digestion factor affecting the digestion.